What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I feel a little bit guilty starting the video in this form with no effort at all, but it's a Sunday night and this video is all about productivity, and I feel like productivity starts on Sunday night. At least for us it does. The way we prepare for our week is super important to us and really dictates how our week is gonna go, or how our Monday morning's gonna go, which to me dictates the rest of the week. So we always wanna start it off on the right foot. As you guys know, Greg and I do own two businesses. We have a big team, we have a packed schedule, so this is a crucial day for us and we really do use it as a day to prepare. So before we jump into the video, I wanna show you a few things we do on a Sunday night to make sure we feel super ready and prepared for Monday. Why do you do this every time I film? Super delicious.
Oh my God, what is that?
Lulu. She literally does it on purpose. The main character. The first thing that I find very crucial for a productive week is a clean house. Look at this house. Very clean, very orderly. Now, I won't take full credit for this. We do have a cleaner. Thank the gods, because we are not the best cleaners. But the best feeling is waking up on a Monday morning with a clean, fresh house. Especially for me, because I make content, and the last thing I want to do is make content with a gross background for you guys. It just sets the vibe. It makes you feel ready. You feel like you have your shiz together. You feel like, I'm gonna slay this week no matter what. Right, Greg?
Exactly.
Next thing, super crucial, fill out the planner. I get a lot of questions about my planner. It is from Passion Planner, not sponsored. I just like the planner. So basically what I have here is a nice personal section, because believe it or not, we do have personal lives as well. And we have a couple of things I really need to get done tomorrow. So I put those here because otherwise I never get them done, because work fills up the whole day and I push all the personal stuff to the weekend and then I forget about it and it's got to be done. Then I have my little work section that wouldn't necessarily fit in the day's calendar. It's just things that are outstanding and need to be done. So for example, this week's YouTube video is in that section. Then I have my timed calendar. So in here, for example, I have collagen restock tomorrow because Bloom is restocking our best-selling unflavored collagen peptides. So I need to remember that and get ready. Then we have our team call at 9 a.m. We have a meeting at 10, another meeting at 12, another meeting at 11 I missed. Gotta write that in. So that's why this is crucial. And the nice thing about the planner is you get all those thoughts buzzing around your head into a physical notebook. So you no longer have that nighttime anxiety, like I can't sleep, I have all this stuff I need to get done. Put it in the planner, it's safe, it's done. Okay, so put everything in your planners, guys. Next, we use Sundays as grocery days. We like to have a stocked fridge for the week, because otherwise I feel like we end up eating out, grabbing stuff. We just don't feel prepared. As you guys know, fitness and health is very important to us. So we need all the fitness and health goodies to be cooking at home, because we don't want to be eating out, especially when we're trying to get fit.
Facts. Fit.
Okay, we hit the farmer's market. We got hella straubs, immaculate. We got farm fresh eggs, beautiful. Almond milk for smoothies. We got pesto, we have salmon. We have yogurt, we have meatballs, we have steaks, feta cheese, everything. We're set. We have all of our salad ingredients and Taco Bowl, given it's not the most organized fridge, but it's still a stocked fridge. So we're ready to meal prep for the week because we like to bring lunches to the office. Another small, kind of less intense tip, have some cute flowers in your house. It really brightens my day every time I see these. They smell amazing, they look cute, they make me feel good. Also, start your week right with a healthy meal. We're having scallops.
We're having surf and turf, son.
And asparagus and a steak?
Yeah, a little scallop, a little steak, a little sea, a little land.
So have a healthy meal the night before Monday, because you want to wake up and you want that brain functioning optimally. Brain and body functioning optimally.
Set the tempo, Sunday night.
Exactly. Get your water in. I've been doing a good job today. I've got a little bit left, because you want to feel nice and hydrated starting your day. Now I have one last Sunday tip. We're headed upstairs to the bedroom. Nothing crazy, guys. Just a little productivity. Laundry done for the week. Check. Closet is organized and ready to be pulled from, as are the drawers for the most part. I will say my assistant Fee helped me with this and she freaking killed it. I'm not so good with that kind of stuff, so I appreciate her greatly. Bed is made and cozy, ready for a good night's sleep. And then over here, this is important, we have the outfit is laid out, guys. This is crucial for me because otherwise I'll spend an hour pulling stuff out, no idea what to wear, even though I'm just going to my own company's office. I can wear whatever I want. So I have everything down to the hair ties for the braids I want to wear tomorrow, the socks, the shoes, the bra, the sweater, the earrings, everything. There is no questioning what I'm wearing tomorrow. We're all set. Highly recommend doing that. The last thing we do is we make sure that we sit down together and discuss what's coming up for the week, anything like pressing, anything stressing us out. I feel like we do that as a couple and also as business partners, right? We talk about upcoming launches, anything with the team going on, any meetings we want to schedule. We talk about finances. We talk about goals, just adult stuff. And we make sure we're on the same page for the week because it can get pretty intense and we can kind of like not get time to touch base. I think it's really important.
Mari kind of leads like creative things with the businesses while I'll kind of lead like numbers and analytic type things. And so we need to make sure we're both on the same page with which direction we want to head in. And sometimes we'll find ourselves not communicating enough during the week.
Yeah.
So if specifically about business stuff, so we need to make sure that we need to set ourselves both off on in the same direction. You know what I mean?
And as you guys can see, Greg does like to get involved in my content. So we decide, okay, this week we're going to set aside Wednesday to film something or Thursday to film a reel, whatever it may be.
So like if I'm reviewing inventory on Sunday night and I realize our Cinnabon Collagen Creamer sold out for the third time, then Mari's gonna make sure she doesn't post that on the social media grid for Bloom.
Yeah.
Right.
Exactly. So obviously we have a unique situation that we work together, but I feel like touching base with your family, with your significant other, whoever it may be, I feel like that's a really good thing to do on a Sunday night, just so you head into the week feeling like a unit. Okay, we're gonna go, what?
Nothing.
Okay, we are gonna go have our healthy dinner and we're gonna get a good night's sleep. We always get 8 hours. That is not an optional thing in this house. And then we'll talk to you guys tomorrow.
Good night, fam.
Good night, Lulu. She's making her nest. Exercise is a huge priority for Greg and I, whether it's a training day or a rest day. This day was a rest day, so we decided to go take a nice hike instead. We like to be active no matter what. We pretty much roll right out of bed and get moving. It just sets the tone for the day, helps you stay energized, and it's really helpful for depression and anxiety. I get asked a lot of questions about whether I eat breakfast before I exercise or after. Because we wake up so early, I'm never hungry enough to eat, so I get right to exercising. Then when I get home, I make myself a coffee. Here I'm adding our collagen peptides, which have a ton of beauty benefits and are also great for your bones and gut health. Then I get right to breakfast. I usually have eggs, sausage, maybe some avocado and strawberries, and I'm washing it down with my Bloom greens, which helps with bloating, immunity, and digestion. Okay guys, I am officially ready for the day. I have my little braids. We have the outfit. I actually didn't go with the outfit I had laid out, of course, but I'm getting ready. I have my laptop here for the team call in 3 minutes. The collagen peptides, which you saw in my coffee launch in 4 minutes. I have my gallon. We're hitting those health goals. After this, I'm running to the office to meet the boys for a meeting about the Slay app, and then I have a bunch of other meetings to take there too. So let's hop into this crazy day. I feel ready. I have my lunch for today in the fridge. I feel prepared. Let's do it. That's nice. Hi guys, so it's about 2 p.m. right now. I've just finished all my meetings for the day. As you can see, I'm checking off as I go. Now I just have to go home and do a couple of things like a story Q&A, some captions, and some reel recipes for Instagram. So those are all things I do by myself at home. I don't need to be in the office. So I'm gonna head out now, but I just wanted to show you how I check off as I go. It makes me feel accomplished and like I'm getting through my list. So that's one part of my productivity. I did have my lunch. I had the lamb meatballs with feta cheese. The way I eat definitely contributes to my productivity. I've mentioned in almost every video how I do eat a high-fat, low-carb diet, which I find helps my brain function optimally. It helps me stay focused, it helps my mood stay stable, and I have BPD, so it's super helpful for that, helpful for depression. So I'm definitely trying to stay on the high-fat lifestyle. So I'll show you if I make a snack at home. Right now, I am about to head home. I'll check in with you guys when I get there. Okay guys, it is now the evening. It's like 7 p.m. Just finished up everything, that I needed to do on my list. I am quite tired and definitely would like to relax now. I have washed my face and now I'm gonna do a few little things to make myself feel ready for the day tomorrow. There's definitely like a few things left out from me making content and just like throwing my bag down. So I'm gonna put that away. I'll probably pick out my workout outfit because I have to wake up at like 5:45 tomorrow because I'm working out super early. We're making a healthy dinner. Well, Greg's making a healthy dinner. I feel like you're always in this spot when I film.
Dude, I love cooking. You guys will always find me here.
You are constantly cooking. So yeah, I'm gonna do a few little things to feel good for tomorrow. Tomorrow, I wanna have a chat with you guys because I feel like there's a level of mental motivation, or not motivation, but just like a mantra that I kind of take on every day that helps me push through. Even when I'm having a tough anxiety day or a tough mental day, there's something that just makes me keep going. And I want to talk about the mental side of this whole productivity thing because I think that's really important. It's not just about the actions, it's about what's going on up here as well. So I hope you're enjoying the video so far. If you are, make sure you give a thumbs up. I know I normally say it at the end, but what are we having for dinner?
Burrito bowls.
We're having burrito bowls.
Steak burrito bowls.
Sorry. Yeah, we are having steak burrito bowls. I'll actually show you guys what they look like. I'm having mine with cauliflower rice. And what are you having?
I'm having the same thing you're having. I'm not having guac. We're having a nice big steak. We're gonna split the steak on top, make a little burrito salad bowl. Got guacamole, got peppers, got shroomskis.
Yeah. So I'll show you guys what that looks like when it's ready. Also guys, another tip that I wanted to mention, when work is done, put work away. Something that I'm guilty of doing is like leaving my laptop and my planner and my camera, whatever, all out on the dining table or in the kitchen where I can see it. And if I do that, I can't stop thinking about it. And it's just sitting right there and it stops you from having that relaxation mindset. So I'm gonna go put my work away so that I can be present with Greg and have a nice evening, and then we can do it all over again tomorrow. Bye.
So Mari just asked me what movie character I think she is.
Guys, I'm just asking him normal girl questions. I said, what would you do if I was in danger? Like going to die? And he had no response.
I said, why would you ask me that? I'm gonna have a panic attack.
Then I said, who would you cast me as in a movie? And he said, I don't know, I can't remember any movies.
I said, what's the actress's name? I said Devil Wears Prada, the secretary that bossed up.
He thinks I'm Anne Hathaway in Devil Wears Prada.
That's a great answer.
Here was my answer for him. I would cast Greg as either the senior sheriff at the police department, like no one with him, or like the head of the mafia. That's his character for me.
Back at the restaurant?
Back of the restaurant, like huge plate of meatballs in front of him, shoveling it down. Someone tries to talk to him, he's like, not right now. You do it, you're better than me. Italian accents, do it. Not right now, man.
I'm done with this one.
Time for dinner. Look at these beautiful balls.
Feta, cauliflower rice, guacamole, spicy guacamole, steak, purple cabbage from the Love Shack up the street, mushrooms, peppers. Almost all of this is from our local farmer's market that we went to for the first time this weekend. And we met Daisy.
Shout out to Daisy.
Shout out to Daisy. This organic spicy taco sauce is from our Trader Joe's healthy haul.
Ooh, from like a month ago. There's Lulu. Hey girl. Okay guys, I gotta eat this. Capiche? Okay, that's what you would say. Are you making fun of me? Good morning, guys. It is the next day. I just finished a workout. Super hard workout. I literally can't even hold the camera up right now. Oh my gosh. Super sweaty and gross, so I gotta go shower. One thing I love about working out first thing in the morning is I'm getting the hardest part of my day done first. Like the workouts that I've been doing have been so tough, and I'm like proving to myself that I'm capable of doing something as hard as that. So if I'm able to do that, I should be able to do anything that comes my way during the day. So that's kind of my mindset with the early AM workouts. Then I had a nice big breakfast with my greens. Now I'm headed upstairs to take a shower. So talk to you guys soon. Okay guys, I am officially ready for the workday. Just took our team call and now I'm off to the office. Before I close out the video, I just want to say a little something about productivity and things that help me stay in this mindset. I just made a post about this morning. Changing my mindset from I have to do this to I get to do this has changed so much for me. It's a much more positive outlook, and I try to remind myself, like, I have privilege of working out today. I have a body that's healthy enough to work out today. I have the ability to go buy myself healthy organic food. I get to work for myself every day. I get to grind for my own business. I get to talk to people that I love and hire people that I appreciate and want to be around. That has been a huge mindset shift for me, rather than dreading the workout or feeling like, ugh, I have to go to this meeting. Like, no, this meeting is for me. It's for my brand. I'm lucky that I have this lifestyle. So no matter what situation you're in, try to remind yourself of the good things that you have and the ability that you have to steer your life in the direction that you want it to. Also, while I was going through my fitness journey, honestly, this is something that I've carried since then and I could never really shake off. I feel like my biggest motivation was just finding out who I really am and finding out what my true potential is. There's nothing I hate more than untapped potential. Like, what could I be? Who could I be? How awesome can I be? What can I make? You don't want to leave those questions unanswered. You want to find out, like, what is your ability? How much can you really do? And that's really what pushes me through everything. I mean, I would be lying if I said this journey hasn't had really tough times. For a very long time, it was just Greg and I grinding. We had no social life. We didn't do anything. We just worked on these businesses. We're 100% self-funded, no loans, and that's all of our money on the line, and it still is. So, you know, we have to keep pushing and keep reminding ourselves of why we do what we do. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Okay guys, before I go, I have a little secret to tell you. I didn't realize I was allowed to talk about this yet, but there is a key supplement in my productivity, motivation, focus regime that I want to tell you about. I've been using it for a couple months now and we're finally able to launch it to you guys, and it's one of my essentials, Clear Mind. Take a look at her. She is stunning. Ooh. I mean, so Greg and I both take 2 capsules every morning before we start work, specifically when we get to the office, because this has ingredients in it that's really going to help you focus and perform optimally without getting that anxiety. It's not like it's a huge rush of energy. It just helps you zoom in on the project you're working on. So this contains lion's mane, which is a mushroom that helps with focus, L-theanine, which makes sure you're calm, and rhodiola root, which also helps with calmness and mood. And this has been a game changer for me in my workflow. How about you?
Yeah, I mean, so Mari and I both are super ADD, just literally diagnosed with ADD. We try not to take, well, we don't take any pharmaceutical drugs for anything, let alone for ADD. And we're always looking for holistic, homeopathic ways to focus better. And occasionally we fall into the coffee pot. You know, obviously that triggers anxiety, and we just try to watch how much coffee we drink, mostly because it triggers our anxiety really bad. So we came up with this product. Most of the ingredients are actually became relevant or discovered through Alzheimer's research and other like brain degenerative diseases that occur when you get older. So all of these are science-backed ingredients, and very intentionally did not add any caffeine. So you could take it late at night, you could take it first thing in the morning, you could take it with your coffee. You don't need to worry about any of that. The last thing I would say about it is that we're just really happy with the product. It's something that we both swear by and we both keep at our desk.
Yeah, I guess I forgot to mention Greg and I are actually both diagnosed with ADD. It's something that we kind of bonded over at the beginning of our relationship, I would say. And this has been hugely helpful. We both take it every single day at the office. It also helps with memory, which I've seen a huge improvement with. It just helps with your overall cognitive performance. So make sure you look out for this, guys. It launches Monday at 9 a.m. PST, so don't miss it.
Tomorrow.
Our essentials are super popular, and I highly recommend you keep one of these on your desk.
All you independent boss, entrepreneur, women out there, this is a must. This
Definitely.
is an essential, for sure.
All right, love you guys. I already closed out the video, but I just had to tell you about Clear Mind.